Unlock the secrets to stunning photo editing without opening your wallet, because mastering Lightroom doesn't have to cost a fortune. First things first, your best friend in this journey is a simple search. Type free Lightroom tutorials into your preferred search engine. You'll be amazed at the sheer volume of blog posts, articles, and dedicated websites that pop up, offering everything from beginner basics to advanced techniques. Next, dive into the visual learning playground. KevinHowTo. Many professional photographers and educators generously share their knowledge through in-depth tutorials. Look for channels dedicated to photo editing, and you'll find hours of content breaking down specific tools, workflows, and creative styles within Lightroom. Don't underestimate the power of community. Join online photography forums and dedicated Lightroom user groups on social media platforms. These communities are incredibly helpful for asking specific questions, getting feedback on your edits, and discovering lesser-known tips and tricks from experienced users. Educational blogs and websites often host comprehensive, multi-part tutorials, even free mini-courses. These provide structured learning paths, allowing you to build your skills progressively. Many even offer downloadable practice files so you can follow along directly. And finally, don't overlook social media platforms like Instagram are filled with photographers sharing quick tips, before and after comparisons, and even short video tutorials directly in their feeds or stories. Follow hashtags like #LIGHTROMTits or #photoediting for a continuous stream of inspiration and learning. With these free resources at your fingertips, you had everything you need to start your journey to becoming a Lightroom expert today. Happy editing!